more cat. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's play again. Give me cats, baby! Double drop there, good. Oof. Cheaty positions, cheaty position. We just need one more, baby. One more cat. Oof, almost red trick there. One more cat. One more cat. Oh my god! Oh my god! What a shit! Those odds, man! Those ways! Come on! My 5 cats! Hey! Hey! 5 cats, baby! Oh! No, but look at those fucking ways, so shitty, man. We need wilds, that's what we need. Wilds. We need wilds, baby. We need wilds. We recover the money of the last one. We need wilds, now for fucking profit, baby. Wilds, baby! Oh, but no in that one, bro. It's a good hit, yeah. It's not enough. Last spin for full line of cats and wilds for multipliers. Let's go. Oh, no wilds, bro. What a shit. What a shit, bro. How much is this, baby? It's a good one. Boom! That's 800 euros. Let's go.